Hi guys, and today we're going to have like a Halloween party, kind of. So basically I'm going to be a bear. So I'm just going to draw a black nose and maybe a skull or something. This is the face painting. Okay, so I might use white, but mainly I'm going to use black. Put there, okay, now I've got my book. Okay, I'm going to start with my nose, I think. I'm going to, do it. I'm just doing my nose. Oh, it's so cold. We're making paper pumpkins. Yeah.
Okay, wait.
And then I cut this line. So use this. Daddy. Dada, put the lid on always.
That's the lid.
And here's our glue stick. Okay, then we
Yes.
do this.
Brown.
Yes. And then what do we do next, Mummy? Oh, so I need to cut all the way. So you see this? We'll cut all of those lines, which you just folded. Yes. So and this is the don't cut over here because that's where we're going to put glue. You'll see in a bit. If you're new to this channel, my channel is called At the Johnson and at the Johnsons, and my name is Rose. That's my brother, that's my dad, and yeah, we're making pumpkins. If you got confused what I was saying in the other videos, I'm Japanese, so I speak in Japanese.
Oh.
That's how my baby looks like. And guys, later we're gonna be watching a movie and we're gonna toast marshmallows. I can't wait. And guys, by the way, I have this is so crazy, but my dog has a YouTube channel. So if you want to see my dog's YouTube channel, just type up The Daily Daisy, and yeah, you'll find it. And my brother's sharing the YouTube channel as well with my dog. Yeah. And my brother's sharing with me. You need basically double-sided tape. Or you can have glue. Okay, so this glue. Okay. Wait, what?
She's sleeping.
No. Daisy's not sleeping, it's just a snoring. And pink! There. Daddy, gonna hold that. There. You can hold it. So these are the eyes.
Cut out 2 eyeballs.
Yep.
Okey-dokey.
My dad is nearly finished.
Uh-oh. Let me do it one more time.
Tons of crayons.
Look at his face though. That's the worst. This is good.
That.
Oh, what's that?
A witch.
Because it's a baby pumpkin, it's gonna be like, you'll see. It's gonna look cute, guys. It's gonna look cute. Yes, it looks so cute.
Yeah, good boy, that's it. Tidy up.
Aww, look at it. Guys, do you like it?
That's good, Rose.
This one, because we're gonna have two different types of candy. We're gonna like melt some marshmallows over the fire because I've got a fireplace. With this one, so I'm gonna use I'm gonna put the marshmallows in this one, and I'm gonna put and we're gonna have these like candy stuff. So we're gonna have those types in this one, and yeah, we're gonna see how it goes.
This is to make the marshmallows later.
One way.
Okay. Okay.
Good Lord. Is anyone hot? Yeah. Wait, very hot.
It requires the greatest self. Victor would have to give up the life he had forever. He would need to repeat his vows in the land of the living and drink from the wine of ages.
See you guys next time. Hope you like this video, boys. And don't forget to be nice to each other. Bye.